Join me as I challenge myself to master English by diving into some magical stories, and I'll share my progress with you along the way. Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll dive into enchanting English stories designed for beginners to help you learn quickly and effectively. We're excited to have you on this journey with us. Many language learners struggle with vocabulary and comprehension. Traditional methods can often feel tedious and unengaging. I know I have. And that's why I'm looking for new ways to make learning English more fun. One of the biggest challenges is staying motivated, especially when the material feels dry or boring. I've found that learning through stories can be really helpful. Stories have a way of making complex ideas and vocabulary feel more accessible. They also give us a chance to see how language is used in context, which can be really powerful for learning. The other benefit of learning through stories is that it's more engaging. When you're reading a story, you're invested in what happens next, which can make it feel less like learning and more like entertainment. We'll present a selection of magical stories, highlighting key vocabulary and phrases, and illustrating how these narratives can enhance your understanding of English. These stories are carefully chosen to be both entertaining and educational, with a focus on everyday language that you can use in your own conversations. We'll go through each story together, breaking down the tricky parts and exploring new words and phrases. You'll get to see how the story unfolds and how the language is used to create a compelling narrative. By using stories like these, you can improve your English skills in a way that feels fun and engaging. You'll be surprised at how much you can learn when you're enjoying yourself. Experience the magic of storytelling as we reveal a surprising twist in one of the tales. This moment will not only captivate you but also reinforce your learning. One of the stories we'll share has a surprising ending that I think you'll love. The twist in the story is both surprising and thought-provoking, and it really drives home some of the key language points we'll be covering. You'll see how the story uses suspense and surprise to keep you engaged as we go through the story. Pay attention to how the language is used to create tension and suspense. You'll learn some really useful phrases and vocabulary that you can use in your own conversations. To wrap up, we've seen how these magical stories can transform your English learning journey, making it enjoyable and effective. I hope you've enjoyed this look at how stories can help us learn English. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your favorite magical story in the comments below.